How to make money online. 10 legal ways to earn passive income online. Wouldn't it be great if we can make money while we sleep? You do not have to clock in and clock out at work at least 5 days of the week. While this sounds great and amazing, how do we actually make money work for us to the point where we get income without so much effort required? In today's video, we will show you how to make income online while still having your 9 to 5 job if that makes you feel secured. Welcome to Financial Freedom and Finance channel. Here, we upload videos to give you a helping hand in reaching your financial goals. We hope to give you tips for achieving financial freedom one video at a time. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about financial literacy. Now, let's get started with today's video. There are a lot of ways to earn money online as we are living in a world where we need technology to complete tasks that we are basic to the most complicated ones. First, let us talk about the two types of income that we will show you today: active income and passive income. Active income is when you put in the work and you receive a paycheck for how many hours you work. Some examples of this type of income are the common day jobs such as call center agents, cashier, staff, and more. Passive income is what we all strive to have. This is when money works for us. With passive income, you typically have to invest upfront. This doesn't mean that the next day you will be earning thousands of dollars. Passive income is an investment. Hence, it takes time for your investment to return and even more time for your earnings to grow. You also have to work on maintaining your investment from time to time. Having passive income might sound harder for you, but your potential to earn more as you grow your investment is worth all the work. One of the most common passive incomes is investing in a rental property. But imagine how much money you need to have to be able to own a rental property. Yep, thousands of dollars. That is why, in today's video, we will show you ways for you to have active and passive income without paying for anything. No upfront fees, no sign-up fees, everything for free. You just need your computer or laptop and a good internet connection. Do you have any side hustles or freelance work you do aside from your 9 to 5 job? How do you manage your time and how do you avoid not getting burnt out? Share your tips in the comment section below. You might be able to help others finding out the balance between having multiple jobs and still being able to rest. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button for you to not miss out on new videos that will help find ways to have extra income. While you are here, hit the like and the notification bell so you can be updated on every upload. Now, let's get started with the website and app you can take advantage of to earn passive income or active income online, all in the comfort of your own home. Stay with us as I show you the 10 ways for you to earn online. Number 1. Amazon. Amazon made Jeff Bezos the richest man alive at one point before Elon Musk took over that title. You might not get rich as Jeff Bezos, but you can still earn hundreds of dollars, and that's better than $0. There are a few ways to earn on Amazon. You can go to mturk.com to find jobs on Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a crowdsourcing site that offers jobs for tasks that machines, AI, or computers won't be able to perform accurately. Hence, they find actual people to do the job. You can perform quality management tasks, testing features on web pages, and other simple tasks that could make you earn $20 or $30. Another website under the umbrella of Microsoft where you can earn is through Kindle Publishing. If you like to write and can make an entire book, publish it on Kindle Publishing. You can also get someone to write for you and then publish that work. The website affiliate program Amazon.com is also available for you as this Amazon's Associates program. If you sign up, you will have your own link for products and want to recommend, and every time someone buys the products through your link, you will get a commission. There are also ways to earn from Amazon, and we are just getting started. We still have a lot of websites to show you as you can earn easily online. While you are here, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment down below if you think today's video is helpful and wants to see more. Alright, let us move to number 2. ClickBank.com. ClickBank.com sells digital products, You can choose to sell, and you have the option not to sell anything, but instead, just like Amazon, you can promote the products on clickbank.com and get a commission. You can earn as much as $150 per sale. They pay higher than Amazon. Number 3. Flippa.com. Flippa.com is the website where you can buy and sell digital products such as Shopify store, domains, online businesses, blogs, and more. Number 4. Fiverr.com. If you are a talented freelance artist, Fiverr.com is the website for you. If you are also looking for a talented freelance artist, head on to Fiverr.com. Some services you can offer on Fiverr.com are voiceover, digital marketing, writing and translation, music, and also so much more. Number 5. Dropshipping. Dropshipping gives you the ability to pay a manufacturer and they will deliver the product straight to the customer without you ever worrying about the transaction. People commonly use Shopify.com as go-to site for dropshipping. This makes the process of ordering online easy for both customers and you. Number 6. Rover.com. If you love pets and want to be around them while getting paid, then you will love Rover.com. Rover.com is a trusted site to find pet sitters and dog walkers. The site is available in a lot of countries like US, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, Spain, and more. Visit the website rover.com if you want to get paid while petting your furry friends, cats and dogs. Number 7. Shutterstock.com. Do you own a camera? Has it been your hobby to take good quality photos? Do you know you can earn with your hobby? Consider going to Shutterstock.com, where you can sell your photos. Shutterstock.com is not just limited to photos, but videos and music too. The key is to keep uploading quality content that people will want to use and buy from you to earn more on Shutterstock.com. Number 8. Upwork.com. Upwork.com is the haven for freelance workers. If you are looking to offer your services and you want to work from anywhere in the world in your own time, then Upwork.com will work best for you. You need to create your profile that reflects your experience, work ethics, and personality, so you will have the higher chance of getting hired. You can be a writer, software developer, customer support, and more. Roles that job hunters are looking for. Check out Upwork.com to start making money online. Number 9. TakeLessons.com. Everyone has something to teach that can potentially help someone out there. TakeLessons.com is another marketplace for people who wants to teach and for people who are looking to learn. The lessons could be singing, acting, learning a new language, and more. TakeLessons.com also offers tutoring for those that are struggling in school. Teach with TakeLessons.com and earn money online. Number 10. YouTube. Well, you are already here. We might as well tell you that you can earn from YouTube. You aren't just limited to watching videos online. You can also earn by posting videos that people will want to watch. The only catch is you won't earn on YouTube overnight. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for the past 12 months. The best thing about YouTube is that the amount of earnings you will have through monetization will depend on the content you will post. The more views and subscribers you have, the bigger your earnings. Paid sponsorship is another way to earn on YouTube, but you will need a lot of subscribers for this. With YouTube, you can actually earn while you are sleeping as people watch the videos you post, which makes this a great passive income. That's it for today's video. I hope you were able to learn a thing or two about handling your finances and where you should get started if you want to achieve financial freedom. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye!